Bitgert cost conjectures for the years 2023, 2025, 2030, which is genuinely huge. We here will basically give you the 10 years itemized cost expectations for Bitgert, Brise, which is very huge. The Bitgert by and large has rapidly sort of acquired exceptionally incredible consideration that crypto financial backers in every practical sense basically are interested and looking through the inquiries, like especially is Bitgert, Brise, a kind of wise speculation. Is Brise worth purchasing in 2023? Especially most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. What will be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025 and 2030? Which is very huge. How by and large high might Bitgert at any point go, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking? Our aid will provide you with a thought of the Bitgert expected development and its cost expectation, all from in every practical sense, profound specialized examination, to major kind of most certainly past cost graphs, or so they sort of truly thought. Bitgert especially past value examination as per the particularly the most recent market information. Today the cost of Bitgert, Brise, by and large truly is $0.00000068 and Brise is presently generally positioned number 3025 in the in every practical sense, whole crypto market. Or so they in a real sense thought. The dissemination supply of Brise is zero with a market cap of $0 in very most recent 24 hours, which explicitly is very huge. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Bitgert's cost has shown a decent increment of 12.25% in the fundamentally most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. Bitgert by and large generally is as yet confronting a genuinely difficult time jumping aboard with commonly other crypto coins on the lookout. The Brise is down to nearly 8.26% over the most recent 7 days in an especially sort of significant manner. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for genuinely past truly couple of days. The coin could by and large have major areas of strength for truly yet. We don't basically generally imagine that it would a beneficial resource in actually quite present moment. Which in a real sense is very critical, which is genuinely huge. Bitgert value conjecture for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2030. We anticipate future Brise cost expectations Bitgert estimates by applying profound sort of really fake learning specialized examination on the verifiable value information of Bitgert. We basically give our all to especially in every way that really matters, gather sort of most extreme authentic information for the Brise coin, which all things considered, certainly incorporate all things considered, different variables like past value, market cap, volume from there. The sky is the limit, which explicitly is very huge. In the event that you are looking to generally put resources into cryptographic money market, try to explicitly peruse our forecasts in an unobtrusive manner especially. Bitgert value expectation for 2023 as per our conjecture, in 2023. The cost of Bitgert is supposed to reach at a very especially least value level of $0.00000065, or so they for the most part thought. The Brise cost can explicitly arrive at a by and large most extreme worth of $0.00000074, with the very normal exchanging cost of $0.00000072, or so they thought. Bitgert value expectation for 2024, according to the estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2024. The cost of Bitgert is in a real sense, generally anticipated to in every practical sense, reach at any rate worth of $0.00000100 in an unobtrusive manner. The Brise cost can arrive at a genuinely most extreme degree of $0.00000121, with the entirely of normal exchanging cost of $0.00000104 in a very huge manner. Bitgert value gauge 2025-2026. The cost of Bitgert is basically anticipated to reach at least degree of $0.00000152 in 2025. The Bitgert cost can arrive at a genuinely greatest degree of $0.00000175, with the typical cost of $0.00000157 all through 2025. The cost of Bitgert for the most part is in every way that really matters, anticipated to fundamentally reach at a sort of least degree of $0.00000223 in 2026, which by and large is very critical. The Bitgert cost can especially arrive at a by and large genuinely most extreme degree of $0.0000267, with the very normal cost of $0.0000230 all through 2026, which is genuinely huge. Brise value expectation for 2027 Bitgert cost basically is conjecture to arrive at a least degree of $0.0000323 in 2027 in a significant manner. According to our discoveries, the Brise cost could fundamentally in every way that really matters arrive at a reasonably truly most extreme degree of $0.0000383, with the typical gauge cost of $0.0000335. Amazingly, Brise value expectation for 2028. As per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of Brise, in 2028, the cost of Bitgert really is gauged to be at around a very least worth of $0.0000470 in a significant manner. The Bitgert value worth can, in a real sense, arrive at a kind of limit of $0.000000549, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.000000486 in United States dollars, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitgert value expectation for 2029. The cost of one Bitgert, Brise, in a real sense, is supposed to truly reach at an extremely least degree of $0.000000683 in 2029. The Brise cost can in every way that really matters arrive at an essentially certainly most extreme degree of $0.0000832, with the especially normal cost of $0.0000707 all through 2029. Bitgert value expectation estimate for 2030. According to the Gauge and Profound specialized examination, in 2030, the cost of Bitgert is supposed to really reach at the very least value worth of $0.000000989, which most certainly is very huge. The Brise cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0.0000117 with the genuinely normal worth of $0.0001017 in a by and large enormous manner, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation for 2031. The cost of Bitgert is supposed to generally especially reach at a very truly least worth of $0.0001452 in 2031, or so they really thought, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. The Bitgert cost could truly arrive at a greatest worth of $0.0001735, with the kind of typical exchanging cost of $0.0001492 all through 2031, or so they sort of thought. Bitgert value expectation for 2032. Bitgert cost truly is figured to generally arrive at a most minimal sort of beautiful